Most creatives fail with AI because they're copying workflows that are built by people who are nothing like them. If you're a visual thinker using a linear system, you're building backwards. AI wasn't built for your brain, but it can be. This video is the beginning of a new way to create with AI. One that starts with how your brain actually builds as a creative. Because the truth is, you already have a system. You just haven't seen it in the mirror yet. Here's the real problem. Creative people are being handed systems that were built by minds that don't work like theirs. You're told to use Notion dashboards, content calendars, task trackers, and rigid prompt templates. But your creativity doesn't come from structure. It comes from rhythm, emotion, vision, patterns, form. You're not broken. You're just running someone else's operating system. And when you try to bolt your creative energy onto someone else's systems, you either burn out, lose your creative spark, or feel like something like AI is just not for you. But here's the truth. You have a system, your own. You just haven't seen it clearly yet. This is not another Find Your Creative Type video. This is the official launch of the 7 archetypes inside Mirror One, the foundational system we've built for creative minds who want to use AI in a way that actually works for them. This is more than a video. This is the kickoff of a fully interactive system. The archetype quiz is live on our website right now. Matching Discord roles are waiting in our Discord for you once you take it so you can connect with other creators like you who want to use this tech. And the full free course drops soon. Mirror One will not be free forever, but right now you have a chance to enter at the ground floor. This is where your mirror system starts. So let's walk through the 7 archetypes. The architect. You're the person who can't start a creative project until you know the structure. You make mood boards, outline everything, maybe even color code the folders, but sometimes the actual doing never begins. You've probably felt overwhelmed by AI because it feels too loose. Too random with no clear blueprint. But your gift is the blueprint. Use AI to help scaffold your ideas step by step. Let it co-build with you before you execute. Start with this prompt. Help me map out the framework for and build from there. The ritualist. Your creativity lives in cycles. Coffee in the morning, playlists while working, journaling late at night. You don't plan, you feel your way through. When someone gives you a rigid tool or a dashboard, your energy just disappears. You don't need a system. You need a rhythm. AI can support that rhythm. Give it a place in your daily rituals. Let it reflect your thoughts or spark a new one. Start with this prompt. Every morning, give me a ritual to unlock my creative flow. The agent. You're not here to philosophize. You want results. You get things done fast, and you don't have the patience for tools that slow you down. You've probably opened ChatGPT, stared at the screen, and thought, okay, what now? You don't need theory, you need action. Let AI take small tasks off your plate so you can keep moving forward. Start with this prompt. Write a rough draft of a caption. I'll clean it up. The oracle. You can feel ideas before they form. You know the truth of something before you know the words to describe it. Traditional productivity systems do not work for you. They feel dry and disconnected from your instincts. Use AI like a mirror for your intuition. Ask it reflective questions. Use it to make the fuzzy clear without losing your magic. Start with this prompt. Here's the feeling I'm chasing. Help me translate it into words. The shaper. Details matter to you. The way something feels, sounds, or looks matters just as much as what it says. You've probably used AI and you thought, this doesn't sound like me. Or worse, this has no soul. But AI doesn't have to be soulless. You just have to shape it. Start by giving it an entire excerpt of something that you've written that feels most like you. Tell it, rewrite this in my tone. The observer. You watch first. You don't speak until you see the patterns. You've probably been pretty skeptical of AI. It moves fast, it feels shallow, but you move with intention. Use AI as your thought partner. Let it surface blind spots, test your logic, or help you track insights over time. Start with this prompt. Here is everything about what I'm working on right now. Where are my blind spots? What am I not seeing? The emulator. You learn by studying others. You like finding a replicable formula and breaking it down and recreating it into your own version. Blank page syndrome is real for you, but remixing something that already exists is where you thrive. AI is your sandbox. Feed it a style you love and then reshape what it gives you. It's not stealing, it's evolution. Start with this prompt. Here's a post I love. Make 3 versions in my voice. So here's what I want you to walk away with. You already have a system inside you. The mirror archetypes just give you the lens through which to see it. Once you know your archetype, you can finally stop wasting time trying to figure out tools that just don't serve you. You can start building systems that align with how you naturally operate as a creative. You can finally get AI to start feeling like a collaborator to what's going on in your brain instead of a replacement for it. You can build systems that save you so much time in your creative process while still keeping the integrity of what makes your creativity special in the first place. So go to the description box, take the quiz at the website, and find your archetype. Join our Discord and claim your archetype role so you can start communicating with creatives that are on the same journey as you in this unknown, ever-evolving landscape. And get ready, because when Mirror One drops, your build begins. Everything changes when you stop fighting your mind and start using the tools that enable you to build from it. Welcome to the Mirror System.